In this video, I'll show you how to set up a live wallpaper on your Windows 11 computer or laptop using a free app. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store by clicking on the Start menu and searching for it. In the store, go to the search bar at the top and type Lively Wallpaper, then press Enter, click on Lively Wallpaper from the search results and hit the Get button to install it. Once installed, open the app. Click on Library in the top menu, and you'll see a collection of free live wallpapers. To set one as your background, click the three dots next to the wallpaper and select Set as Wallpaper. Now, when you return to your desktop, the live wallpaper will be active. You can also customize the wallpaper by clicking on Customize from the same menu. Here, you can adjust settings like color, speed, and effects. If you want to use your own wallpaper, click Add Wallpaper at the top, and you can upload a file or paste a YouTube video link to use as your live wallpaper. To manage your wallpapers, click the Active button in the top right corner. If you have multiple monitors, you can assign wallpapers to specific screens or duplicate them. And that's it. That's how to easily set up and customize live wallpapers on Windows 11 using Lively Wallpaper. If this guide was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.